Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are incorrect in respect of Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL? 1. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy controls NPCIL. 2. The primary function of NPCIL is to manufacture nuclear weapons. 3. Narora Atomic Power Station nuclear power plants is not operated by NPCIL. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option D. Statement 1 is incorrect. The NPCIL is controlled by the Department of Atomic Energy, DA, not the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Statement 2 is incorrect. NPCIL is responsible for the generation of nuclear power for civilian use, not for producing nuclear weapons. Statement 3 is incorrect. Narora Atomic Power Station, NAPS, in Uttar Pradesh is fully operated by NPCIL. Which of the following statements are not correct in respect of the Precedence Rule? 1. Under Article 360 of the Indian Constitution, the President imposes Precedence Rule in a state. 2. The maximum duration for which Precedence Rule can be imposed in a state without parliamentary approval is 6 months. 3. Failure of the constitutional machinery in the state is a valid reason for imposing Precedence Rule in a state. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is incorrect. Precedence Rule is imposed under Article 356, not Article 360. Statement 2 is incorrect. The maximum duration without parliamentary approval is 2 months, not 6 months. Statement 3 is correct. Failure of the constitutional machinery in a state is a valid reason for imposing Precedence Rule under Article 356. This usually happens when the state government cannot function as per constitutional provisions, leading to governance failure. Thank you.